Today I will be torturing myself. Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to a new video. I am a human with hair on their body, which most of us are. And I generally don't really care about body hair. Like when I was younger, I used to be like insecure about it. I was like, oh my god, hair on my legs, gross. I'm not like that anymore. I kind of like don't care about body hair, but at the same time, I like it better when it's gone. I don't mind having it, but if I could choose, I would not want to have it. Okay, so what I always used to do was like I shaved my legs, and I just absolutely despise shaving my legs. I think it's the worst thing ever. Like, you shave it, it takes so much effort and so much time, and then like the next day your legs are literally like prickly and gross. Like, I don't like it. I haven't shaved my legs in like 2 years, I think, because I just don't like it. So what I started trying out was like using wax strips. And I have no idea why I didn't start doing that sooner, because it literally is the best thing ever. You just like torture yourself for a moment, and then like it takes at least a month before the hair grows back. So I was very excited about that. So then I decided, why not go a little step further and not use wax strips, but get like a professional waxing kit, because the moment I start to like something, I completely obsess over it and I need to have everything that's like connected to it. So that is what I did. So today I'm going to try out this Amazon waxing kit and wax my entire body, like everything. So if you want to see me scream in pain, then keep on watching. Okay, let's first see what's in the box. Oh, we got some spatulas, some hard wax beans. Whoa, that's a lot. So I got the hard wax beans because these look like the most fun. Then we have some after wax treatment. Yeah boy. Pre-wax treatment. And tiny spatulas. And the waxing oven. It looks so cute. I think it's very easy. I think it's literally just like plugging it in, turning the heat on, and melting the beans. But let me just read the manual to be sure. Warning: never use this appliance near a bathtub, a shower, or other vessels filled with water. Okay, well, there's not a lot of water in my living room, so that should be fine. Okay, let's plug it in and get started. It kind of smells like hair color remover. That's not a good thing. I'm not sure how hot it should be, but I'm just setting it to 100 and then I'm just gonna watch it melt, okay? We'll figure it out. So it has been 15 minutes and I'm pretty sure it's like almost completely done. But I do think it's too liquid. I think it needs to be thicker. So I'm gonna cool it down a little bit. Let's put it to 60 degrees. Pokey. Pokey is such a tiny dog, but she still thinks that she needs to protect us. Crazy. Pokey, come! Come! Pokey, come! Xoxo. Look at her. Oh. It's okay. Okay, they say that the right temperature is between 60 and 82 degrees Celsius. Let's check the temperature. I don't know, it felt really hot, but like in a nice way. You know what, I'm just gonna put it on because I'm very impatient. And I guess burning myself is just something I'll have to live with then. Then we wait for 30 seconds. Okay, let me just do it. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it worked, but I literally didn't feel anything. Oh, by the way, should I maybe show you how hairy I am to begin with? The thing is, I don't really look that hairy because my hair is literally like white. So don't say that I'm starting off with no hair because I am, okay? I have a lot of hair. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, it is definitely gripping to some hairs because if I move it like this, it hurts. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a big strip. I feel like I maybe made it a little bit too big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Subscribe. Definitely is not as much as I would expect there to come off. There's like still a lot of hair on there. Okay, wait, let's apply the wax differently, okay? I am definitely burning my arm right now. Up, up. It works, but you like almost don't feel a thing. Okay, that was a little bit more painful. How gross would it be if I would just like reuse these wax strips? I hit myself in the face. This one does hurt, by the way. Oh my god, this is way more painful. Okay, time for the legs. I think this is gonna be totally fine and I think it's not gonna hurt at all. But we shall see. Again, you probably won't be able to see the hairs on my legs, but I definitely have hairs, okay? One, two. That was not good. 1, 2. Wait, no! Did I do it too thin? No! I think I have to put more on there. Better. Up! Up! That was painful. Damn, this was a nice one. Look at all those hairs, boy. You know what I want to do? I want to wax my toes. Don't make any weird comments, okay? Stop being gross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That didn't work at all. Let me try again. Why doesn't it work? It's weird, it doesn't want to work. Anyways, let's hide my moneymakers and speed run my legs real quick. Okay, so I did my legs and I gotta be honest, it didn't really work on my legs. I don't know why. On my arms, it worked perfect. Well, it it works fine. But on my legs, not so much. But yeah, now that we have the regular body parts done, it is time to go on to the crazier stuff. First, I'm going to do my underarms, which is gonna be kind of disappointing because I waxed them like a few weeks ago and I thought I was probably gonna have hair already by now, but I don't. So there are like a few hairs that I missed last time that I can pull out this time. I mean, yeah, there's almost nothing here. Like, this is what I'm saying. Waxing is like the best invention ever. Oh, yeah. That is pretty hot. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ow. 1, 2. I mean, it still took some out, but here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. It's like wax all over me. Okay, underarms done. Now I'm going to do my mustache. I have makeup on my face, obviously, so I'm not sure if it's like really gonna work, but I'm gonna try. Mamma mia, a pizzeria. Ooh, this is actually very painful. Okay, let's go. Ah. That was definitely the most painful of them all. Oh my god, am I gonna have like a red lip right now? I do have to say that like the success rate of the wax is around like 80%. Like, definitely not all the hairs are gone, but it's still like, I don't know. It wasn't like that expensive. Definitely it's cheaper than using the strips. And it's a little bit more fun. It's also a little bit more messy though, like everything is gross. There's only one part of my body left that I still need to do. And that is the part that I will not be showing you. You will only be able to see my face. Because otherwise I will probably get banned from YouTube. So yeah. Okay, this is gonna be like I think that this is gonna be like the most painful thing ever. I swear to god. I've also like never waxed my bikini line, okay? I've never done it. So I'm not gonna do everything. I'm just gonna do like the easy parts that I can reach. It's gonna be so painful. I really hope I'm not gonna burn myself. Okay. I'm gonna do small sections because I don't want to die, okay? Oh no, this already hurts so much. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. That actually was not that bad. 1, 2, 3. What kind of wax is this? I low-key want to show you what the wax looks like. But I'm not gonna do that. But it looks interesting, okay? It definitely works. Okay, let's try some more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! Oh no, this one hurts. Oh my god, oh my god. Aduh, di ba? That was not fun. That one did hurt. Okay, never mind. It's actually like really painful. I do not think that this is good for human, but okay. Okay, I definitely did not get rid of everything, but I do think I'm done right now because that is not a fun experience for me. So, oh my god, I just realized that I didn't even use the pre-wax treatment. The packaging is so close. Okay, it took a few hours, a shit ton of wax, and I mean, not a lot of pain actually, only a tiny amount of pain for me to be as hairless as little baby. Which I'm not actually. I'm actually not hairless like a baby. I still have hair everywhere. But now I have like random spots of hair on my entire body. I do feel like it's probably better to let a professional do this because it's not only going to be faster, I think it's also going to be less painful and it's going to be more effective. So maybe next time I'll let somebody else do it, but for now I do think it's kind of fun to do it myself. Except for my bikini line. That is not a fun place to rip the hairs out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss bye bye, ciao.